What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here, and guess what? It's football season, tailgating time, appetizer time. Boy, we got a good one for you today. We're making some pig shots with just a few simple ingredients right here. We're gonna make it right here on this Char Griller Akorn Grill. Gonna be super simple, super good, super easy, and I tell you, you better make a bunch of these because they're gonna go quick. But before we get started with everything, hey, if you don't mind, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hitting that thumbs up. Please comment down below, letting us know you're new here. We'd love to welcome you here at the Crazy Acorn. If you've been here, thank you so much. Like always, you are the reason we're doing what we're doing. Thank you so much. Now, we're not going to overtalk these. I'm going to go ahead and show you some ingredients, fire this grill up, and we're going to get to cooking. One more thing, if you don't know, down there in the description is a whole list of just all kind of things, but there's also a recipe playlist down there. If you look for any other recipes that we may have done, click on that link and take you to our recipe playlist. All kind of goodies in there. If you don't see what you're looking for, hey, let us know in the comments. We'd love to try something new. Let us know. All right, the ingredients are very simple, y'all. Y'all check this out. We have some smoked sausage here. We have some toothpicks. We have some diced jalapeno peppers. I use fresh. Y'all can use pickled, whatever kind you want. We have a block of cream cheese, a pound of bacon, some Colby Jack cheese, and I'm gonna use some Uncle Steve's spicier shake. This is some really good stuff, y'all. There's a link in the description to Uncle Steve's website. Y'all check it out. Some great, great seasonings down there. This is gonna be perfect on these pig shots. There's your ingredients. Let's get to making these things while that grill's heating up. So let's start off by cutting our bacon in half. That looks about half right there. We'll go with that right there. And let's go ahead and cut our sausage. Now on the sausage, you want pretty thick pieces. Something good for that bacon to wrap around. Like so. Cut them about like that. Would be good. There. Got our sausage cut up. Now we got to wrap that in bacon. One more, y'all. One more. Let's wrap this thing here around here. Oh, yeah. And there we go. We're not done yet. We got to mix the filling, stuff them, get them on the grill. So let's go ahead and get our block of already softened cream cheese in here. Add some jalapeno peppers, as much as you like. Let's go ahead and just dump all these in there. Let's go ahead and just throw a handful. I'm not gonna measure, y'all. Y'all use as much cheese as you want. I'm just gonna use a handful of this Colby Jack cheese. And there again, I'm not measuring. I'm gonna throw some of this Uncle Steve's spicier shake in there. Give y'all a close up of that stuff. That's some good stuff right there. Now, just got to mix this up. All right, it seems to be mixed up pretty good. What y'all think? Looking pretty good there. Now, as far as how many jalapenos you use diced up, as far as how much cheese, how much seasoning, that's completely up to you. Of course, you see I didn't measure. I just kind of threw it together. Speaking of throwing it together, let's get this filling onto the pig shots. So now what we do, there's a couple ways you can do it. I'm just gonna take a spoon and just kind of rake some off into each one here, see? Think I'll be pretty? Just fill them up. Put as much in each one as you want to. Man, there's gonna be some good eating here in a little bit. All right, one more to stuff. There we go. Pig shots are stuffed. Almost time to put them on the grill. One more thing. Let's hit them with a little more Uncle Steve's spicy all here. Yeah, like this. Give them a good little, I guess you call this a mid-dusting. Give them a good sprinkle through here. Them things are looking right. Y'all look at that. Y'all take a look at how good these look. This is before they're even cooked. See what, that cream cheese and jalapeno peppers, the cheese, that Uncle Steve's seasoning. Oh yeah. These are gonna be good, y'all. We got the grill running just under 225 now. Show you how we have it set up. We got about a little over 1 on the top vent, and we're right about 1 on the bottom vent. Y'all, it's time to put these things on here. We got some nice little smoke here rolling off from that hickory wood we put down in there. Let's just stack these around here, y'all. Ain't gonna be in no particular order, no certain way. It's however you want to put them on here. Just remember, we are using a smoking stone down in here. I meant to tell you that. We had the smoking stone in, then I put the grate on. So we are cooking indirect. That's very, very important with these. You don't want to cook them too fast and burn that bacon. Get them all on here. Just about got them all on. Got 3 more to go. We'll set them around over here. There we go, y'all. All right, we're gonna let these go for about an hour maybe. We'll come back and check them.
1 eternity later.
All right, y'all. It has been about an hour and 15 minutes. I know it hasn't been for you, but it has for me. It's been a long hour and 15. Smelling this thing out here, it's got a great smell to it. Can't wait to pop the top and check these things out. Let's do that right now. Y'all ready for the big reveal? Oh man, look at those, y'all. Look at that. Uh-oh. Y'all steamed up, you can't look at it. Y'all take a look at that. We got to get these things off the grill. Let them cool just a little bit. Try them out. But man, them things are looking good and smelling even better. So what we'll do now is go ahead and just take them up and put them on a cutting board over here. Uh-oh. Like I say, some of them ain't very pretty, but that's okay. That is okay. You ain't got to be pretty to be good. Oh man, I can't wait to dig my teeth into these. Cheese just oozing out. These two here became friends. All right, we got them off. Let's take them over here and check them out. There you go, y'all. Y'all are ready for your tailgating party. Y'all are ready for a good afternoon snack, an appetizer for your next cookout. Whatever you want to make these pig shots for, I highly recommend them. They are fantastic, super easy to make, gonna be super delicious. Don't take a whole lot of time either. Anyhow, y'all, I gotta try one of these out. Don't forget to pull a toothpick out though. Seriously, take that out. Let's try this out. Y'all. That, I mean, y'all look. That smoked sausage, that crispy bacon, that cream cheese with them diced up jalapenos, and that cheese, and then top it off with this Uncle Steve's, gives us such a great flavor. Yeah, buddy, this is right. You better make a bunch of these, so I can tell you, because these will go quick. So, I gotta take these in here to the crazy kids when I finish chewing this one, excuse me. I gotta take these in here to the crazy kids and the crazy crew and all the rest of them. I probably got to make some more here in a minute. So, try these on your acorn, see how they turn out. Remember, the key is indirect cooking. Put that smoking stone in there, set about 225, let them go for a little over an hour. I think we went an hour and 15 minutes, wasn't that much. And they turned out perfect. Now, if you do anything else different, have a different take on it, whatever, hey, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know your way of doing a jalapeno popper or whatever. I'm telling you, these pig shots, they're spot on. With that being said, I gotta take these inside and we'll see you next time.